Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. Welcome back to this Conceptual Math Explainer. Today we're diving into Chapter 6, Lesson 8 of Oxford Mathematics Class 5, and we're going to completely demystify the process of rounding decimals. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with what rounding actually is, learn the all-important golden rule, which is a super easy trick to remember by the way, and then apply it to 1 and 2 decimal places. We'll finish up with plenty of practice and homework to build up your confidence. Let's get to it. Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1. What is rounding? Simplifying numbers. So, rounding is basically just simplifying a number to its nearest, simplest value. Think of it like taking a really messy, super long decimal and just cleaning it up. You're making it neat, nearby, and way easier to work with. You're finding the simplest version of that number without completely changing its core value. Moving right along to Section 2, the golden rule. Literally the only trick you need to remember. Now this right here, this is the absolute hero's tool of our explainer. If you memorize this one rule, you can solve any rounding problem. It's a simple split. Whenever you're trying to round a number, you just look at the very next digit. If that next digit falls on side A, meaning it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, your target number stays exactly the same. But if that next digit falls on side B, meaning it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, bam, you must increase your target digit by 1. That's the whole trick. All right, let's apply it. Section 3, 1 decimal place, rounding to the tenths. When we say 1 decimal place, it just means our final answer is going to end right at the tenths position. And here are the logical steps you need to follow every single time. Step 1, identify that tenths digit because that's where your number will end. Step 2, look immediately to the right at the hundredths digit. Step 3, apply our golden rule to that hundredths digit. Knowing exactly where to look is half the battle before you decide how to round. Let's look at example 1, 4.71. Following our steps, our tenths digit is the 7. We then look to the right, and our hundredths digit is 1. Well, because 1 is less than 5, it falls on the stay the same side of our golden rule, right? So the 7 stays exactly as it is, giving us a clean rounded answer of 4.7. Now for example 2, 4.75. Again, our tenths digit is 7, but look at our hundredths digit this time. It's a 5. According to our golden rule, a 5 means we have to increase the previous digit by 1. So we just bump that 7 up to an 8, resulting in our final answer of 4.8. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the carryover scenario in example 3, 995. Our tenths digit is 9 and the hundredths digit is 5. Just like before, that 5 tells us to round up. But wait, when you increase the 9 by 1, it becomes a 10. So that 1 actually carries over across the decimal point to the whole number, making our final answer 10.0. And notice we keep the 0.0 because the question strictly requires 1 decimal place. Let's shift gears. Section 4, 2 decimal places, rounding to the hundredths. This simply means our final answer will now end exactly 2 spots after the decimal point. The logic? It builds right on the previous steps. We just shift our focus 1 digit further to the right. Step 1, identify the hundredths digit. Step 2, look at the thousandths digit right next door. Step 3, apply the golden rule. Let's see this in action with example 1, 2.567. Our hundredths digit is 6. We look to the right at the thousandths digit, which is a 7. Because 7 is greater than 5, our golden rule commands us to round up. We increase the 6 to a 7, giving us 2.57. Let's look at another one, 4.504. Our hundredths digit is 0. The thousands digit, right next to it, is 4. Since 4 is obviously less than 5, the 0 stays exactly as it is. We literally don't change a thing about it, leaving us with a perfectly rounded 4.50. All right, time to get you involved. Section 5, practice and homework. Test your knowledge. I want to do a rapid-fire practice round right now. See if you can guess the answer before it pops up. Ready? Round 45.04 to 1 decimal place. Take a second, identify your hundredths digit right now, which is 4. Apply the rule mentally. What happens to the 0? Did you get 45.0? If you did, absolutely excellent work. The hundredths digit was a 4, which means the 0 before it stays exactly the same. Okay, let's try one more. Round 16.896 to 2 decimal places. What is the answer? Pause for a second, find that thousandths digit, which is 6, and figure out what that 6 is going to do to the 89. The answer is 1690. Huge congratulations if you got that right. The thousandths digit was a 6, which causes the 9 to round up to a 10. carrying over and magically changing that 89 into a 90. So the crucial point is, well, let's run through section 6, quick revision, to wrap up everything we learned today. Here is your rapid review. When rounding to 1 decimal place, we isolate the tenths. When rounding to 2 decimal places, we isolate the hundredths. And above all, never ever forget the golden rule. 0 to 4, you keep the target digit exactly the same. 5 to 9, you increase that target digit by 1. Burn this into your memory and you'll have a permanent math superpower for sure. Now, to completely solidify that new superpower, here are your homework questions. Number 1, round 7.84 to 1 decimal place. Number 2, round 5.46 to 1 decimal place. Number 3, round 3.728 to 2 decimal places. Number 4, round 8.195 to 2 decimal places. And number 5, round 12.504 to 2 decimal places. Go ahead and pause the explainer right now, write these down, and solve them on your own. You have all the tools you need. Before we go, I want to leave you with a provocative little brain teaser. If 9.95 rounds up to 10.0 to 1 decimal place, what do you think happens when you try to round 9.999 to 2 decimal places? Think carefully about that carryover effect we just talked about. Thank you so much for watching this explainer. I really hope this made rounding decimals clear, structured, and easy for you. If you found this helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to Conceptual Math for more lessons. Keep practicing, stay curious, and Allah Hafiz.
Thanks for watching. Bye, students. Don't forget to subscribe for more math fun videos. See you in the next lesson.